For years, Abby and Brittany Hensel were known as one of the most extraordinary medical cases ever seen. But what happened after the cameras stopped rolling is what truly caught people off guard. Abby and Brittany didn't just disappear, they made choices that changed the direction of their lives in ways few expected. From stepping away from fame to building a quiet life, and then suddenly returning to headlines with shocking updates, their story took a turn no one saw coming. And when news about marriage, family, and even a possible baby surfaced, it raised one question people still can't stop asking: what is really going on with them today? A birth that left even doctors stunned. Abby and Brittany Hensel entered the world in a way that immediately set them apart from almost every documented medical case. Born in Minnesota to Patty and Mike Hensel, they were not just conjoined twins, they were classified as dicephalic parapagus twins, one of the rarest forms ever recorded. They shared one body but had two heads, two separate spines, and individual personalities. At birth, they also had 3 arms, and surgeons later removed the non-functional third limb, a decision that would become part of the long list of medical complexities surrounding their lives. What made their case even more extraordinary was their internal anatomy. Each twin had her own heart, stomach, and esophagus, yet they shared a single torso, one pelvis, one bladder, and one set of reproductive organs. Medical researchers followed their development closely for years because survival rates for this condition are extremely low. Many twins with similar conditions are either stillborn or do not live long after birth, yet Abby and Brittany not only survived, they thrived. Their parents were faced with a decision early on that would define everything that came next. Doctors presented the option of separation, but the chances of both surviving were extremely slim. Patty and Mike refused to take that risk. As Patty later explained, separating them would have meant dividing their shared body in a way that likely would not allow both girls to live. The decision was not just medical, it was deeply emotional. They chose to keep their daughters together, giving them the chance to grow and experience life side by side. From the beginning, Abby and Brittany developed an incredible level of coordination. Abby controlled the right side of their body, while Brittany controlled the left. Something as simple as walking required perfect timing and constant communication. Over time, they learned to do far more than just basic movement. They learned how to run, swim, play sports, and even drive a car, each controlling their respective side with precision. Their early years were not defined by limitations, but by adaptation. They did not grow up thinking of themselves as different in the way others might expect. Instead, they were raised to believe they could do what anyone else could do as long as they worked together. That mindset would become the foundation of everything they achieved later in life, and it was only the beginning of a story that would soon capture global attention. From global fascination to real-life pressure. As Abby and Brittany grew older, their lives slowly shifted from a private family story to something the entire world was watching. Their first major public appearance came when they were still children, appearing on a nationally televised talk show. At just 6 years old, they sat in front of millions of viewers who were both curious and amazed, and from that moment on, their lives were no longer entirely their own. They later appeared in documentaries and were even featured on the cover of a major magazine, turning them into one of the most recognizable sets of twins in the world. What drew people in wasn't just their condition, it was how normal their lives seemed despite it. They weren't portrayed as fragile or limited. Instead, viewers saw 2 girls with distinct personalities, opinions, and goals, learning how to navigate life together. That contrast between expectation and reality is what kept public interest alive for years. By the time they reached their teenage years, Abby and Brittany had already learned how to handle attention, but they also made it clear that they wanted boundaries. In one interview, Brittany openly said that the world didn't need to know everything about their personal lives, especially when it came to relationships or future plans. That statement would later prove to be more important than anyone realized. Their biggest leap into the spotlight came when they agreed to film their own reality series. The show followed them as they finished college, traveled, and prepared to enter the workforce. It was structured like a documentary, giving audiences a closer look at how they handled everyday situations, from navigating social life to managing independence. It also showed something rarely seen before, how two individuals with one body could still make separate decisions while functioning as a single unit. The series quickly gained attention, but unlike many reality shows, it didn't rely on drama. Instead, it focused on their resilience, their humor, and their ability to handle situations that would overwhelm most people. Viewers saw them studying, teaching, traveling across Europe, and building their future step by step. Their supervisors and teachers even praised their work ethic, noting that they brought two perspectives into one role, which made them uniquely effective. But behind that growing popularity, something else was happening. Abby and Brittany were becoming increasingly aware of how much of their lives had been shared publicly. After the show ended, they made a decision that surprised many. They stepped away completely. No second season, no continued media presence, no attempt to build a long-term television career. Instead of using their fame as a platform, they chose something very different. They chose privacy. And that decision would quietly set the stage for the most unexpected chapter of their lives, one that would unfold years later, far from the cameras and largely out of the public eye. A quiet life that no one was watching. After stepping away from television, Abby and Brittany didn't fade away. They simply chose a different kind of life. Instead of chasing opportunities in media or entertainment, they returned to Minnesota and focused on something far more grounded. They became teachers, a decision that reflected not only their education but also their long-standing desire to live as normally as possible. Shortly after graduating with degrees in education, they were hired as fifth-grade teachers. What made their situation unique, however, was not just their condition, but how their professional life was structured. Despite being two individuals, they were given separate contracts but received one combined salary, which they split between them. Abby later explained that while they understood they were technically doing the job of one person, they also brought two different teaching styles and perspectives into the classroom. Brittany added that in many ways they could actually do more than one teacher. While one explained a concept, the other could monitor students and answer questions at the same time. Their roles in the classroom naturally divided based on their strengths. Abby focused more on math and science, while Brittany specialized in language arts and reading. This balance allowed them to operate efficiently without overlapping, giving their students a structured and engaging learning experience. Over time, they became well-liked not just by students, but also by parents and colleagues who saw them as both capable educators and strong role models. They eventually settled into a steady routine in their home state, living away from constant public attention. Unlike many former reality TV figures, they didn't build a social media brand or seek publicity. In fact, they were careful about what they shared and how much of their personal lives remained visible. Reports later suggested that many accounts claiming to represent them online were not even run by the twins themselves, reinforcing just how intentionally private they had become. Even so, curiosity about their lives never fully disappeared. Occasionally, they would be spotted doing everyday things, running errands, spending time with family, or simply living their routine. These small glimpses were enough to keep public interest alive, but never enough to fully understand what was happening behind the scenes. And that was exactly how Abby and Brittany wanted it. For years, everything remained quiet. No major headlines, no interviews, no public statements. It seemed like they had successfully stepped out of the spotlight for good. But that silence would eventually be broken, suddenly and unexpectedly, when information surfaced that no one had seen coming, and it changed how people viewed their lives overnight. The secret that shocked everyone. For years, Abby and Brittany managed to keep their personal lives completely out of public view. That privacy held strong until a discovery changed everything. In 2024, public records revealed something that immediately caught global attention. Abby had been married for years, and no one knew. The marriage had taken place in November 2021, but it remained entirely private until it surfaced unexpectedly. The man she married was Josh Bowling, a U.S. Army veteran and nurse who had built a life in Minnesota, the same state where the twins were living and working. The fact that such a major life event had gone unnoticed for so long only reinforced how successfully Abby and Brittany had kept their personal world hidden. When details began to emerge, they didn't come through interviews or official announcements. Instead, they appeared gradually, through records, small social media clips, and brief glimpses into their lives. One video showed a moment from the wedding, including a first dance where Abby and Brittany stood together with Josh, moving in sync just as they had done their entire lives. It was a rare and personal look into something they had clearly chosen to protect. Josh's background added another layer to the story. Before marrying Abby, he had been married to a woman named Annika, and the two shared a daughter named Isabella, born in 2016. That meant Abby stepped into a new role, not just as a wife, but also as a stepmother. Brittany, by extension, became a step-aunt, forming a blended family dynamic that immediately sparked curiosity online. People began asking questions, not just about the relationship itself, but about how it worked in practice. However, Abby, Brittany, and Josh did not publicly explain or respond to most of the speculation. Instead, they continued doing what they had always done, keeping their lives as private as possible. Occasionally, a photo would appear showing the three of them together, sometimes with Isabella, suggesting a close and stable family environment, but never revealing more than they were comfortable sharing. At the same time, another situation briefly brought Josh into the spotlight. In 2023, he was named in a paternity lawsuit involving a child born in 2020. The case drew attention because of its timing and connection to his past relationship. However, in early 2024, a genetic test confirmed that he was not the biological father. Another man was identified instead, and Josh was officially removed from any legal responsibility related to the child. The case was resolved, but it added to the sudden wave of public attention surrounding the family. Despite all of this, Abby and Brittany never changed how they handled their lives. They did not give interviews to clarify rumors, nor did they attempt to control the narrative publicly. Instead, they stayed consistent with the approach they had chosen years earlier: live privately, share selectively, and keep the most important parts of their lives out of reach. But just as the attention around the marriage began to settle, something else happened. A single moment, captured unexpectedly, would once again pull them back into headlines. And this time, it raised even more questions than before. The moment that reignited everything. Just when it seemed like the public attention around Abby's marriage had started to fade, another unexpected moment brought Abby and Brittany back into global headlines. This time, it wasn't about their past. It was about a possible future that no one had clear answers for. In August 2025, the twins were seen in Minnesota carrying a car seat with a newborn baby inside. The sighting was brief, but it was enough to trigger immediate speculation. Photos circulated quickly, and within hours, people began asking the same question. Had Abby and Josh Bowling welcomed a child? What made the situation even more intense was what happened next. Shortly after the images spread, a TikTok video appeared showing the same photos. The caption was simple, just one word: blessed. That single word fueled even more discussion. with many taking it as confirmation that the baby was part of their family. Others remained cautious, pointing out that neither Abby, Brittany, nor Josh had made any official statement. And that silence became the biggest factor in the story. There was no announcement, no clarification, and no follow-up. Even in a later interview, Josh Bowling acknowledged the level of public interest, but refused to confirm whether they had a child. He made it clear that despite the attention, their family life would remain private. That decision only deepened the mystery, leaving people to rely on speculation rather than facts. Adding to the confusion was the issue of social media. For a long time, many believed that a popular TikTok account represented Abby and Brittany directly. The account had gathered hundreds of thousands of followers and regularly posted photos and videos of the twins' lives. However, Josh later stated that the account was not actually run by them, suggesting that much of what people believed to be direct insight into their lives might not have been accurate at all. At the same time, earlier in 2025, the twins had shared a cryptic video featuring a series of dramatic headlines about themselves. One of those headlines read, "Married and baby on the way." The video did not explain whether it was true or simply referencing rumors, but it added another layer to the ongoing speculation. Through all of this, Abby and Brittany continued living their lives the same way they always had. They went to work, taught their students, and maintained their routine without publicly addressing the questions surrounding them. In many ways, that consistency said more than any statement could. Nearly 3 decades after first capturing the world's attention, Abby and Brittany Hensel remain one of the most fascinating and private public figures. Their lives have been documented, analyzed, and discussed countless times, yet some of the most important parts of their story remain known only to them. So what do you think? Should Abby and Brittany share more about their lives, or do they have every right to keep everything private? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories like this.